When something goes wrong. Anthony is a laboratory analyst who recently began working in a pharmaceutical manufacturing facility. As part of a quality control test, he is required to measure out 100 milliliters of a solvent into a graduated cylinder as specified in the SOP. The solvent used must have a specific level of purity. After measuring out the solvent, he finds he is 10 milliliters short of the volume required for the test. Earlier, Anthony's supervisor, Paul, told him that the test result is required urgently in order to release a product. Scanning urgently around his work area, Anthony finds a bottle of reagent with the same name. He takes it and quickly adds the additional 10 milliliters to make up the final volume to 100 milliliters. He then proceeds to run the test. An hour later, the test is complete, and the result is a fail. The product cannot now be released, and Paul must now begin an investigation into why this has happened. The investigation results will show that Anthony unintentionally selected the wrong grade of solvent for the test. Impurities in the lower grade solvent caused the negative test result. But why did this happen? Is it because Anthony was under pressure? Was it a problem with his training? Are the systems and procedures in place to prevent such incidents not adequate? In this module, we'll explore the nature of these incidents, why they occur, and how they can be investigated and managed to prevent them reoccurring or happening in the first place. Let's begin with an examination of human failure.